Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Dodge Avenger hood. First, you need to find the interior hood release lever. This lever is usually located on the driver's side, beneath the dashboard, close to the door. Give it a firm pull to release the main hood latch. You should hear a distinct pop sound from the front of your vehicle, indicating the first latch has disengaged. After pulling the interior lever, walk to the front of your Avenger. The hood will be slightly elevated, but it won't open completely. This is because a secondary safety latch is still engaged. Carefully look underneath the front edge of the hood, usually near the center, to locate this small safety mechanism. It's designed to prevent the hood from flying open unexpectedly. Now, with the safety latch located, gently lift the hood upward with one hand. Simultaneously, use your other hand to manipulate the safety latch. On many Dodge Avenger models, you'll need to push this small lever towards the left side. As you push the latch, continue to lift the hood, and it should fully release from its secondary locking mechanism. With the hood now fully open, look for the metal prop rod, typically found clipped to the underside of the hood or near the engine bay. Carefully unclip it and swing it into position. There will be a specific hole or slot on the underside of the hood designed to securely hold the prop rod. Insert the rod firmly to keep the hood safely open while you work.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.